Hey everyone, my name is Ali, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. Honestly, this is the best training I've ever experienced when it comes to Forex trading. I have been with multiple people in the past, and it was just very, very difficult to even learn Forex trading until I ended up with Forex for Beginners Academy. This has helped me tremendously. This course, I learned about Fibonacci, lower lows, lower highs, uptrends, downtrends, support and resistance, exponential moving averages, etc., etc. And it's helped me so much to understand what Forex training is about, like 100%. It made it 100% more easier for me to understand how to read and analyze like price charts on TradingView and just basically read charts in general. That's the one thing I did struggle with 100%. And I mean, once you join the Forex for Beginners Academy, you will be joined in a private group, just, because it's more in depth. So it helps you to understand so much more about Forex as well. When you join this private group, it'll teach you way more of learning the most important parts of Forex and how to make profit from it. So it's 1000% have helped me. I ended up just actually searching for it on Facebook because I honestly got tired of all the scams. And me being a single mom of 3, this has helped me tremendously. So I definitely hope you guys do join. You won't regret it. I promise you that. So I'm just happy I'm able to finally make profit, because that's what's mainly needed for me and my situation. So now I don't have to stress anymore. So definitely join. You won't regret. And Saad Ali is a great mentor, just so you all know. So I hope you join. Bye.